is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2 minus 5. So, first what you have to do is move this dx to the right side. Okay, dy is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2 minus y into dx. That means what we are performing here in this step is we are separating dy always in the left side. Keep this dy always in the left side and dx should be in the right side. This is step 1. Okay. Make this step 1. After creating this step, as a next step, what you have to do is move y terms to dy side. Again, I am repeating, move y terms to dy side and move x terms. Actually, in this equation, x terms are in the left side. That means dx side, x terms is there. There is no change in these x terms. Okay. So just move this denominator to left side. So 2 minus y into dy is equal to x plus 1 into dx. Okay. Now check again. This is step 2. What you have to do in step 2? Moving y terms to dy side, x terms to dx side. This is the step 2. Okay. Now, write down this step should be mentioned this step. Integrating on both sides. You have to write this step. Integrating on both sides. Don't write with respect x, with respect y. Already it was having there. Okay. Just integrating on both sides. Write down this step. Okay. Integral 2 minus y dy is equal to integral x plus 1 dx. Okay. So now what is the integral of 2? Integral of 2 with respect to y. 2y. What is integral y? What is integral? After minus, what is integral? Y square by 2 is equal to, don't write here any constants. Okay. For every question, only one constant exists. Understood? So integral x is x square by 2 plus integral 1 is x plus c. So only you have to write only one constant in the entire equation. That's it. This is the answer. Got it? Understood? Next, second question. Copy it. Second question is solve e power y minus x into dy by dx is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. So, according to the previous question, what we have done? We will separate. We will keep dy in the left side, dx in the right side. Okay. So, e power y minus x dy is equal to 1 into dx. And look at this. We know that a power m minus n is equal to a power m by a power n. Okay. In the same way, e power y minus x can be written as e power y by e power x dy is equal to dx. Okay. Now, as a step 2, y terms will be keeping on dy side, x terms will be keeping on dx side. So, e power y dy is equal to e power x dx. Fine. Now, integrating on both sides. You have to write that step. Write down here. Integrating on both sides. So, integral e power y dy is equal to integral e power x dx. E power y integration is e power y. E power x integration is e power x. Write down plus c. So, this is the question number 2 completed. Next question is fourth one. Solve, try the question third. Okay. And I'm solving fourth question. 4-1. 1 plus x square 1 plus x square dy equal to xy into dx. This is the given equation. It was already, look at this dy term and dx term. They are already well placed. Okay. We should not do anything here. So as a next step, what we are doing is y will be moved to left side because dy is in the left side. 1x is already there along with dx, and we have to move this 1 plus x square to left side because it's a x term. Always keep x terms left side, right side, y terms left side. So 1 by y dy is equal to x divided by 1 plus x square dx, because multiplication term is moved to right side means it should be indicated in the denominator. Okay. Next step. After arranging like this, look at this. All y terms with dy side, all x terms with dx side. Okay. This type of solving is called variable separable method. Variable separable. So what we are doing, that will be mentioned as a name. Variable separable method. Okay. So x and y are variables here. Separable means we are separating the terms, dy side and dx side. Okay. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Integral 1 by y dy is equal to integral x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Integral 1 by y dy is, you know that log mod y is equal to, look at this, we will do one thing. We will multiply and divide with 2. Now, why we are multiplying, dividing with 2? Look at the denominator. Okay. If you differentiate the denominator, you are getting this numerator, right? It is in the format of f dash x by f of x. What is the formula of f dash x by f of x dx? Log mod f of x. Okay. So 1 by 2 into this quotient, log mod denominator, log mod 1 plus x square. Make it some constant c. That's it. That is the answer. Okay. Copy it. Copy it. That means if you copy it, that means you practice it one time. You have to practice it at least 5 or 6 times. Next, 4-2. 4-2, the equation was given. It says xy into y dash is equal to 1 plus x plus y plus xy. 1 plus x plus y plus xy. Okay. So write down xy, y as dy by dx. Y dash means dy by dx. So 1 plus x will be same. In these two terms, take y as a common factor, 1 plus x. Okay. So xy into dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x is a common factor again. So you can write 1 plus y. Okay, fine. Therefore, y term, separate the terms. Xy into dy is equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x into 1 plus y into dx. 1 plus x into 1 plus y into dx. Right? So we will move, we will separate the variables. So here, y dy by 1 plus y is equal to 1 plus x by dx. 1 plus x by dx. Now we will integrate. Integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Okay. So integrating on both sides means y by 1 plus y dy is equal to integral of 1 plus x by x dx. Copied? Now you have to solve this part. So look at the denominator, look at the numerator. If you add 1 and subtract in the numerator, okay, we will do that operation. So 1 plus, I am adding 1 and subtracting 1. Okay. Whole divided by 1 plus y dy is equal to, you can separate these terms. Share this x to the numerator terms. So 1 by x plus x by x dx. Fine. Next, here also separate with the denominator. So 1 plus, share this denominator, okay? 1 plus y by 1 plus y minus 1 by 1 plus y dy is equal to integral of 1 by x by x is 1 dx. Okay. Now you can cancel this part. So now you have 1 minus 1 by 1 plus y dy is equal to integral of 1 by x plus 1 dx. Now what is 1 dy? 1 dy, the integral is y minus 1 by 1 plus y is log mod 1 plus y is equal to integral 1 by x is log mod x plus integral 1 dx is x plus c. Now this is the answer for the question. Okay, copy it. We completed 4.1 and 4.2. Next, sixth question we will see. Sixth question, find particular solution. What is meant for particular solution? What we are doing up to the previous questions. We are giving previous questions. This type of solution is called general solution. What is this is called? General solution. Why it is called general solution? So C can be any value. So that's why it is called general solution. So now the next question is particular solution. What is meant for particular solution? Particular solution means we fix this constant C value also we will decide. So that's why it is called, we are deciding C value. So that's why it is called particular solutions. Okay. So look at how it was looking like. Particular solution for the DE, differential equation, dy by dx is equal to minus 4xy squared. Whereas y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0. So we are using to figure it out this constant value. We will use these values, x value 0 and y value 1. At last, we are substituting this value to get the value of C. After getting C, we will replace this C with the particular number. So that is what called particular solution. Okay. So the procedure will be same as we are up to doing for the previous questions. The first step is just write down given equation or given DE, say given DE. DE means differential equation. So dy by dx is equal to minus 4xy square. Okay. Now move this dx to right side. So dy is equal to minus 4xy square into dx. Okay. Now we will separate the variables. Variable separation means, you know, y will be moved to left side, dy side. X will be there in the dx side. Okay. So 1 by y square dy is equal to minus 4x dx. And after separating the variables, we will do integrate. We will perform integration on both sides. On both sides. So integral of 1 by y square dy is equal to minus 4 into integral of x dx. So what is 1 by y square integration? 1 by y square integration is minus 1 by y. Read the formulas every day. Okay. So what is integral x dx? X square by 2 plus c. Okay. After getting this, if there is any calculation, just do that. Otherwise, keep that same. So minus 2x square, because 2 goes to 4 in 2 times, plus c. Okay. And we have the conditions. What are the conditions we are having? So y value will be 1, x value will be 0. Now replace it here. So minus 1 by 1 is equal to minus 2 into 0 square plus c. Okay. So this is minus 1 is equal to 0 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to minus 1. So we will replace the c value in this equation. This equation that will be the answer. Therefore, the particular solution, or write down directly, minus 1 by y is equal to minus 2x square minus 1, because I just replaced this c value with minus 1. Overall, you can find minus, so you can remove that minus. So 1 by y is equal to 2x square plus 1 is the answer of this question. Okay. So we will solve seventh question also. One question I will explain to you, and later you can solve yourself. So 7-1 I am solving. Here also is asking for the solution, and some conditions are given. So the given dE is 2 of y plus 3 minus xy into dy by dx is equal to 0, given that y of 1 is minus 2. Here, this means y value minus 2, x value 1. Here, look at this. This is x value. Okay, 1 is x value and y value is minus 2. Okay, write separately like this. Now you know how to solve this dE. First, what I am going to do is, I am just moving this this constant to the left side. So minus xy into dy by dx is equal to minus 2 times of y plus 3. You can cancel minus on both sides. And next I am moving dx to left side. So write down what are the terms existed. Xy into dy is equal to 2 times of y plus 3 into dx. Now we will separate the variables. Look at this. Dy and dx are on either sides of the is equal to sign. And y dy, and I am moving this y plus 3. So it will be in the denominator, is equal to, just move this x to the left side. So 2 divided by x dx. Okay. So after that, write down integrating on both sides. Okay. So integral y divided by y plus 3 dy is equal to integral 2 divided by x dx. Now, in the previous question, we already see this kind of mechanism. So I am just adding and subtracting 3. So y plus 3 minus 3. In the previous question, I just added 1 and subtracted 1. In the same way, according to denominator, you can decide that what should be added and subtracted. So divided by y plus 3 dy is equal, you know this 1 by x integration is log mod x plus c. Write down c only, don't write other words. Okay. So separate it. Y plus 3 divided by y plus 3 minus 3 divided by y plus 3, because denominator will be shared each and every term. So in the numerator, 2 log mod x plus c. So you can cancel it here. So 1 minus 3 divided by y plus 3 dy is equal to 2 log mod x plus c. Now integrate it. Once integral was y minus, you know that 1 by y plus 3 is log mod y plus 3. If it is linear, then log mod, that thing you should mention like this. Okay. 2 log mod x plus c. Some conditions he said, right? What are the conditions? Y value minus 2, x value 1. Now I am going to write that values. So y value minus 2 minus 3 into log mod y value minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 log mod 1 plus c. So minus 2 minus 3 into log mod 1. And what is log 1? You know that it is 0. Log 1 is 0. So minus 2 into this part 0 and this is 0. So c value finally I got as minus 2. So now I am replacing c value in this step. So that is the solution. Therefore, y minus 3 log mod y plus 3 is equal to 2 log mod x. You have to keep this modulus up to logarithm exist. Okay. And minus 2. So this is the answer of this question. And try the next question if possible. 7-2. Try yourself this question. Dy by dx is equal to x square into e power minus 3y provided y0 and x0. Try this question. This is very easiest question. First, what I am doing is dy is equal to x square into e power minus 3y dx. I just move this dx to the right side. Okay. So I am moving this y term to the left side. It is power negative. So if you are moving, then it will be positive. E power 3y dy is equal to x square dx. And after that, we will integrate this value. Integrating on both sides. So integral e power 3y dy is equal to integral x square dx. Okay, what is integral e power 3y? E power 3y by 3. Okay. Okay, x cube by 3 plus c. What are the conditions? y0, x0. Now we will substitute these values. E power 0 by 3 because 3 into 0 is 0 and this is completely 0. E power 0 is 1. So 1 by 3 is equal to c. Therefore, the solution is e power 3y by 3 is equal to x cube by 3 plus 1 by 3. You can cancel this denominator 3 overall. Okay. Therefore,